Roller blinds are a quick and inexpensive way of adding some shade or privacy to any room. And these light filtering roller blinds are the perfect balance between privacy and illumination. Light filtering roller blinds offer a softer, more decorative touch and are great for spaces where you still want to let some light in, but also want to protect both yourself and your furniture from the direct glare of the sun. These blinds are available in our huge range of colours, patterns and styles, and all perfectly tailored to fit any room in your home. Whether you're looking for a neutral, functional blind or want to make a design statement with something bold, colourful or vibrant. Available with either chrome or white control chains and all with ultra-strong metal roller tubes. These blinds are reliable, hard-wearing and easy to clean, making them the perfect choice for your home. In fact, we're so proud of our blinds, they come to you with a 3-year guarantee as standard. All of our blinds come supplied with every mounting bracket that you'll need and are child safe by design. Tested to meet the strict regulations as outlined in both the British and European safety standards. All you have to remember are the screws and wall plugs suitable for the surface that you'll be attaching your blind to. And don't forget, once you have the brackets in place, it's very quick and easy to add some variety by swapping out these blinds at different times throughout the year.